Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to ratio and proportion. A ratio is a way to compare two or more quantities, showing how much of one thing there is compared to another. You can express ratios in a few ways, like 3 to 5, 3:5, or as a fraction, 3/5. Always remember to simplify your ratios to their simplest form, just like you would with a fraction, to make them easier to understand and work with. Now, let's talk about proportions. A proportion is simply an equation that says two ratios are equivalent. For example, if 1/2 equals 2/4, that's a proportion. The most common way to solve for an unknown in a proportion is by using cross-multiplication. This means you multiply the numerator of one ratio by the denominator of the other and set them equal. It's a powerful tool for finding missing values. When you're faced with a ratio problem, the first step is to clearly identify the known ratio and what quantity you need to find. Next, set up your proportion, making sure to align corresponding units or items across the equal sign. For instance, if you have a ratio of 2 apples to 3 oranges, and you know you have 10 apples, you'd set up 2/3 equals 10/x. Then, simply use cross-multiplication to solve for x. Ratios and proportions are incredibly useful in everyday life. Think about cooking, where you might need to adjust a recipe for more or fewer servings, or when scaling a map to find real-world distances. They're also essential in fields like engineering and chemistry for mixing solutions accurately. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and productive. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.